Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to save and upload your images in Unified Classroom and how to hand in your projects. So I have an image here that I made. I put the background on like we were supposed to do, and I changed the image by adding different kinds of objects on here. So I'm going to go up to the left-hand side, click Menu. I need to click, you could do Save or Save As. I'm going to click Save As because I already have it saved as a different image, so I'm going to hit Image. Over here on the left, we have a PNG image. You can click down, you could do JPEG. I'm just going to leave PNG. That's like for computers, digital stuff. I'm going to hit that. This is fine. Pixels, that's good. So now I'm going to hit Save. Over here, this is my file folder, my filing cabinet. So I have a file labeled Digital Art. I'm going to click on that, and in Digital Art, I'm going to hit Open, and then I'm going to title my image, and I'm going to say how to, and then I'm going to put video save, and I'm going to click on that. Now, this image is saved. I can go into Unified Classroom now. So I need to go into my PowerSchools. This is your digital art page. Yours is going to look different than mine. If I go into my pages, I'll see over here on the left-hand side all the different kind of units that we are working on. So in digital art, we have the Welcome to Digital Art page, flipbook animation, stop motion. For this project, you're gonna go to activities, and in activities, you're gonna see assignments, okay? That's where your drop boxes are. So in assignments, we see right here, this Adobe Capture. That was the project that we used the iPads for, where we took a picture of our artwork that we made, and then we turned it into patterns. This is where your project should be. So you can see, I don't really have anybody hand in that project yet. We have the abstract art and oil pastels. You were supposed to take a picture of your artwork and upload it into Unified Classroom. And the reason why we did that was because we have 3 people that handed it in. So this is something else that I'm gonna need you to do. Hand it in. Preston handed his in. Good job. Michael handed his in. So today what I really want you to do is focus on getting these assignments handed in today so I can get these graded. Then we have Snowman Project. All right, so this is where you're going to hand in your work. I'm going to stop the video now and try to get on a student account. Okay, so I signed into Nathan's account. I hope he doesn't mind. So where am I going to find these projects that I need to do? When you go into class pages, I see all classes here. I like to click on that, and then I'm going to just find digital art, so I don't have so much stuff on my page. So here I have digital art, and now I need to go into activities and look up assignments. So I can see right here, Nathan hasn't handed anything in yet. So say for example, he has his snowman project, which I don't know if he does or not. So I go here, it's gonna say choose file, okay? So I need to go into my choose file section, and I'm gonna go over here. Oh, he's got lots of files. Oh, these are my files because I am signed into my computer. So say for example, if it's kind of messed up because now I'm in my files on my computer, but if I were to look for my snowman project, I would have to go, yours is probably in pictures. So on my picture file here, which I have tons of them, I have Miss Skiba's dogs in my Say, for example, maybe this is the project here. You'll see this green bar right here. That means it's uploading. I can see down here there's a Christmas PNG file, and then all I have to do is click hand in, and then you're done. That's all you have to do to hand in a project. You can see that there is a green check mark here now for the project is handed in. What I'm looking for from you today is for you to hand in all of these projects. Okay, thanks. Good luck. See me if you have a problem. Bye.